Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be working on how to use Discord in 2025. Complete beginner's guide. Welcome to your ultimate beginner's guide to Discord. Whether you're here for gaming, communities, or just to stay connected, this video will get you from setup to pro in just 60 seconds. Learn how to create your account, join servers, send messages, and hop into voice channels. Discord is the best way to talk to your friends and build a community. Let's get you started. If you're feeling lost on how to start with Discord, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be a Discord Pro. Let's get you set up in 2025. First, you have to download and create your account. So you go to Play Store if you're using an Android device, and you can go to the Apple App Store if you're using an iOS device. Then you search and tap on the search bar and type Discord. You can see I have already installed mine. So instead of update and it's uninstall, you say install, and then you tap on it and it will install. And once you've installed it, you have to open up the app. So let's open up the app. So after downloading, once you want to open up the app, the next thing you must know is that you should have registered. Yes. So you head over to discord.com and download the app for your computer or phone, then open it up and hit register. Choose a cool username. This is your new online identity. Confirm your email and you are in. So once you're in, the next thing is you can decide to invite friends. You can see invite friends here. As you can see, I already have 3 friends in my Discord. So this is for home. This is tap on home like this. It brings you here. You can see this is for notifications, and this is you, where you can edit your profile, see your membership when it started, your friends, and the note that's only visible to you. This is for your profile picture. You can add a status here. This is your nickname. Here we have Nitro. We have settings here, and this is to get Nitro from the shop. It gives you Discord shop. So now want to learn how to join a server, your first server. Now to join your first server, you see the plus icon on the left, click it and join a server. This plus icon here, tap on it. You can create your own server, or this is how to create your own server. The server is where you and your friends hang out, make yours and start talking. You can create by tapping here. You can use some free servers here, or you already have an invite, just tap on join a server, and then you put the invite link and you tap on join with invite link, or you can join a student hub. So like I said, you need an invite link from a friend or a community website, paste it, and boom, you're now part of a server. This is where all the magic happens. Now, how do you chat and voice channels? Let's look at chatting and voice channels. Click on the text channel to send messages, emojis, and memes. To talk live, find the voice channel. Just click on one and hit join voice. You can control your microphone and headset right there. It's easy. So you can just tap on the person like this, you see. Then you can type a message. You can use emojis. You can use GIFs. You can use sticker. You can use voice. Send gifts. There's so much more you can do on it. So apart from that, you can also customize and explore. You can click the gear icon by your name and customize your profile notifications. And remember, the compass icon is the Discover tab to find millions of public communities for your hobbies. So let's customize something. So the UI icon at the bottom. Then you can tap on the gear icon to open up, and here you can get Nitro. You can change your account. So your username, you're displaying your email, your phone number, your password, the security keys. You can enable the view backup code, disable account, or delete account. Then you can check your standing to see. As you can see, it is all good. content on social. This is where it is. You can filter all, not filter, enable age or disable age restricted commands. You can see server defaults. Just set it and customize it in the way you want. Then for connected games, you can see there's no connected games, so you have to connect a game to use that part. So there's so much more you can do there. And that's it. You've mastered the basics of Discord in 2025. If this guide helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.